How to download iPhone apps without Apple ID login. The problem here is very simple. If you open up your App Store and you're searching to download a certain application, normally it will just ask us to verify our Apple ID or enter our Apple ID password to download a certain app. Now, we do not want this to be the case. We want to download apps without issues, without this verification. For this, you have to simply open up Settings. Once you open up Settings, just look for an option that says Screen Time and tap on it. If you've not already set up your screen time, make sure you set it up. Scroll down, look for Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then tap on it again. If Content and Privacy Restrictions is disabled, make sure to enable it. Then from here, go to iTunes and App Store Purchases. Once you've done that, you can see Require Password for iTunes and App Store Purchases is checked to always require. So we have to select this to Don't Require. Now when we change this to Don't Require, next time whenever you try to go ahead and then download any applications from your App Store, it will not ask you for your Apple ID login. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.